In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Jira Work Management for business teams. Jira Work Management is designed to help non-technical teams organize work, track progress, and collaborate in one place. Whether you work in marketing, HR, finance, or operations, it gives you a simple way to manage projects and daily tasks without needing a complicated setup. To get started, go to the top menu and click Projects, then select Create Project. From there, choose a Jira Work Management template that fits your team. You might choose a general business project template or something more specific like marketing, operations, HR, or finance. After that, enter your project name and click Create. This gives your team a dedicated workspace where all related tasks and updates can stay organized. Once your project is ready, open it and click Create to add your first task. Fill in the key details, including the task name, description, due date, priority, and assignee. Then click Create again to save it. The more clearly you describe the task, the easier it will be for everyone to understand what needs to be done and when. Next, take advantage of the different project views in the sidebar. List View is useful for managing tasks in a straightforward format. Board View helps you track progress visually as work moves forward. Calendar View makes it easy to see deadlines, and Timeline View is helpful for planning larger projects over time. Choosing the right view depends on how your team prefers to work. When tasks are ready to be owned, open a task, select the S&E field, and choose the team member responsible. If needed, add comments or instructions directly inside the task so expectations are clear and communication stays connected to the work. As work progresses, move tasks through workflow stages like To Do, In Progress, and Done. Keep task details updated along the way and add attachments or comments when collaboration is needed. This helps everyone stay aligned and reduces confusion. You should also manage deadlines and priorities carefully. Set due dates for important work and assign priority levels such as highest, high, medium, or low. Filters can help you quickly find urgent or overdue tasks, which is especially useful when your team is handling multiple requests at once. For collaboration, use comments to discuss tasks, mention teammates with the @ symbol followed by their name, and attach relevant documents or files. Keeping project updates inside Jira makes it easier to track decisions and avoid scattered communication. To save time, go to Project Settings and select Automation. Here, you can create rules to assign tasks automatically, update statuses, send reminders, or create recurring tasks. Finally, open reports or dashboards to monitor project performance. Review completed tasks, team workload, project progress, and upcoming deadlines so you can spot issues early and keep the team moving efficiently.